Dear fellow lions, namaste, friends. Greeting, greeting of the day, and very warm welcome to you all. I am yoga trainer Venkateswar Rao Lions Club of Hyderabad, Kamlana Greater Club President, District 320C. It is a great opportunity for me to continue conducting free yoga classes for school children at ZPHS School, Rampalli, and Balavika students at Mangapuram Maulali HB Colony, Hyderabad. I extend my heartiest welcome to all the club members here. I am highly thankful to club leadership and all clubs officers and members who stood by me while shouldering their responsibility. I am very glad to say that my home club have outperformed in all charitable activities. The various service projects which done under dynamic leadership of club, free yoga classes, yoga mats, yoga competitions, gifts, certificate mementos, automatic sanitizer machine, washable face mask, health food, dates and dry fruits, bananas and other fruits distributed. We organized free yoga classes to Balavikas students and other school children. In the club, daily 60 citizens participated along with Lions members in the morning session and learn yoga techniques after yoga sections. Individual guidance session along with rich diet is served to the participants every day. Healthy food, sprouts, fresh seasonal fruits and vegetable salads were served by club officers. Yoga is not merely a physical exercise which includes stretching, breathing or twisting the body of different ways, but it results into a healthy development of mind, body and soul. Today's sedentary lifestyle has invited many diseases where man has limited time to spare for his health. It is also important for good concentration and peace of mind. With regular practice of yoga, we tend to become more sensitive to the kind of food our body asks. A few minutes of yoga helps to get relief from stresses. It helps detox the body and de-stresses the mind. Yoga is the best way to calm a disturbed mind and increase the level of well-being in a person. On the other hand, yoga postures, massages, organs and strengthen muscles, breathing techniques and meditation release stresses and improve immune system. Yoga and meditation work on keeping the mind happy and peaceful. With when we feel drained out of energy, a few minutes of yoga can provide the freshness of energy back to our body. It also helps in improving body postures. Today, students face many problems due to the burden of studies and feel depressed, but yoga acts as a stress booster for them. In many schools, yoga is practiced on the daily basis as a part of curriculum. Hence, we too should add yoga to our daily routines for a healthy life. Yoga is an art which connects our soul, mind, and body together. It makes us strong, flexible, peaceful, and healthy. Yoga is very necessary. It makes us fit and healthy. A healthy man can do everything. Yoga is not for the few, yoga is for all. Since serving the community, Lions Club of Hyderabad Kamlana Greater has been the forefront of the charitable social service, positive encouraging other service minded organizations to join us on this journey of home. Interested in becoming a lion, my intention to make the community in services serve a better place to live in, and does this with a variety of programs tailored to the community needs. Their interest in joining invite members, Lions activities, and membership benefit. The feedback from parents have been very positive and encouraging. We encourage to help recruit new members to join. Already 4 new members joined in our Lions Club. Thank you, one and all. Long live Lionism.